Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Regina. If you're new here, karibu sana. If kama wewe ni member, thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to change this socket outlet. It's a twin socket outlet. As you can see, it's already on. But first, before we start, we need to switch off the main power supply so that you can change if you're not good at the electricity part of it. So yeah, you can change this. If you live in a rental, you just remove this one. If you want to change the sockets, you remove this one, put the new one that you want, then put this one somewhere so that when you move, you put it back. As you can see, there is power. I don't know if you can see, there is power. So we are going first to switch off, then change that. I don't know how your main breaker looks like the main point, but yangu nakuwa nimeficha hapa, so I'm still doing some electrical in the house, so that's why I just remove it completely with the focus. So you're going to switch. If you're not sure which of the breaker ndio hiyo, just switch the one that is written 32 until you notice all the sockets zimeenda off. Yeah, this one is for lighting and this one is this is the shower that I'm doing. So but if you are not like sure, you can just switch off the main one. So after switching off, just to confirm, nona, there is no power. So kwanza we remove this one is for the fridge, this one is for the extension. So that's how the socket looks like. We want to replace it with this one. So ignore this one and the extension that I did. So hizi za kitambo, think socket imekaa hapa miaka mingi. It is not coming out. There. Now this is the old socket, so I'm going tena tu kuiweka somewhere safe so that when I move nitakuja tu nirudishe and I go with my socket. So for a new socket, this is how it looks like. Ukibuy na kujanga hivi. Yeah. So it has these screws, hizi za kufunga, and it also, this is the make that I love this kind of socket because of the indicator. Yeah. So let's replace that. If you want, you can need this one, like do a new one, but because the cable is short, sitakata. I'm just going to panga them vizuri, ingie vizuri. That's it. This is our new socket. Now to connect, you can start either. So this is the earth. This is the one, the green cable comes here. Now that is the earth. You can put here or here. Hapa mapa. Then this is the neutral. Funny, for this socket it is not indicated where the neutral goes. So I'm going to do the neutral here. I don't know if it is the make yenyewe ama ni hii socket specific, I don't know, but let's see if it works. Naeka hapo. then the Life goes next. So if you buy a different make, it should be indicated like this one. This is neutral and this is Life. For this make, tabu ni make gani kwanza so that I cannot repeat the same mistake. So normally most sockets zinakwanga indicated neutral, Life, Earth. The same, this is the same make, but now for the single, this one is very much indicated. I think ni hii tu, or it is indicated. I think ni hii tu iko indicated, but that's how you simply connect it. So kufunga, voila! We are good to go. See you in the next video. Bye.